Oh, it's a new week, y'all. It's a new week. So my bias is still bullish, hasn't changed. We see that this previous candle closed as a bearish doji, right? That only means so much. So let's check it out. On the daily, we have higher lows being maintained, higher lows being maintained. The daily support has not broken. All right. All right, on the 4 hour, I'm kind of seeing this, but the thing about this break of support is that I don't see it on all brokers. Like, for example, I don't see it on the broker that I'm trading with. It's not broken. And when stuff happens like that, when it's different, when something significant is just different throughout the brokers, it's kind of confusing. We broke there technically, yeah, and we broke here. But on the broker that I'm trading on, it didn't break. But aside from that, seeing this, I would have to assume, okay, maybe there's a chance we can go bearish from here because we did break support. And so then it would look something like this. All right, and then maybe we would look for some type of break of support. And this is me coming from the perspective if price is going to go bearish today. Maybe let me see if I could find a confluence level for some. This entire level could be a confluence level for price to continue bearish. And so it's interesting because if I was on my other broker, for example, let me just go. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Like, for example, on this, you see that we only had bearish candle, bullish candle. So this entire thing was tested. You know, so on this broker, it's not a matter of, oh, we broke support, because we didn't. So that's interesting, right? So it's kind of like, I don't know what to do. I mean, I guess I'm gonna ignore it. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that. But if price is gonna continue bullish, you know, I'm still in buys from like down here. The stop loss is below here. And then hopefully we can continue bullish. But with this right here, I don't know. I really don't know what's gonna happen. Let's take a look at gold. So gold hasn't broken any level of support yet to start a counter trend, or to more like to start a retracement, a legit retracement. But maybe Monday or Tuesday, it can start to do something saucy, and I can start to take some buys from this area, because this is the area that I'm really interested in to take buys, mainly because we have this, it's a weekly level, you know, and it's at least 38.2, so that gives it a nice PRZ zone, some dependability and stability in that level. Yeah, G's been nice lately. I've been looking at her from the side, but yeah, that's what I have right now. If I don't know, if the 4 hour was only something that I can see on certain brokers and not on others, and this is something that I really, it's a big factor in what I'm going to do that day. So it's interesting. The only reason I'm maintaining buys is because I'm already in buys. Otherwise I probably would be tracking this and waiting for a break of support and then entering in sells there, you know. But until then, I'm gonna just chill. For the moment, as we can see, the lower time frames are being maintained to continue bullish. All right, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows maintain this entire time, higher lows maintain this entire time. As long as this candle close bullish, if it keeps creating support and not breaking it, you know, it's just gonna continue to go bullish. But once it breaks it, there could be a potential of us continuing bearish. Now, on Forex Factory, we don't have news today for GJ, but on this now, February 21, we have these. Now, I never really go on this website, but I realize that a lot of times it has news that is not shown on Forex Factory. Why? I don't know. it says it has high impact. This is for today. So, you know, if something really does happen here, we're going to see something in an hour and 20 minutes. So around 1:30, I mean, around 4:30 my time, we can see what's really popping. But yeah, happy trading today.